Why, hello everyone, and welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about shapes. So our question today is, what's that shape? And we're going to be playing some games to find out, okay? Let's see how good you are for talking about shapes. All right, are you ready for the first one? Here we go. Ooh, what's that shape? What's that shape? Is it a triangle? Don't know. No, I don't think so. Yeah, how about a circle? Is it a circle? It's a square. Can you say that with me? It's a square. Good job. All right, are you ready for the next one? Ooh, what's that shape? I don't know. Is it a square? No, I guess not. A square is like this, yeah? Oh, is it a circle? No. What could it be? Are you ready to find out? It's a triangle. It's a triangle. Can you say that with me? It's a triangle. Good. Okay. Ooh, it's spinning around. Oh, wow, I like this one. It's so cool. This is my favorite shape. Do you know what shape it is? What's that shape? I bet you know already. What? What's that shape? It's a circle. It's a circle. Good job. Okay. Oh, I bet you don't know this one. What's that shape? Well, you would think it's probably a square, right? But a square looks like this. So is it a square? No. So it looks like a square, but it's turned a little bit, right? So this one is a new shape if you don't know. It's a diamond. It's a diamond. Can you say diamond? It's a diamond. Good job. And I bet you don't know the last one. Those of you who do are super smart. Those of you who don't are about to learn. All right. So what's that shape? This one might be a little tricky, but it's probably a new word for some of you. It's a cross. It's a cross. Okay. Good job. Wow, you played that game really well. All right, let's see. We have a new game now. And it looks like we have some words here on the side. And we have triangle, we have square, we have circle, and we have a star. So I wonder how we play this game. Let's find out. Oh, I see. So it wants us to choose which one we think is the correct answer, right? All right, so which one of those shapes is a triangle? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? I don't know. Well, this one is probably a new shape. It has 5 sides. Now, if something has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's called pentagon. This is called a pentagon. Okay, so if you ever hear that word, that means 5. So we're only left with 1, and this prefix tri actually it means 3. So if a shape has 3 sides, then it's you guessed it, it's a triangle. Good job. Next one. Ooh, square. Which one is it square? You might think that it's this one. But remember, we learned a little bit about squares turning. Like this one here. This is a diamond, okay? So actually, the square is not this one either. It's not this one. So which one is the square? You guessed it. It's right there. Good job. I think a circle's pretty easy, right? This is a what? Let's see here. Is this a circle right here? No, this is a heart. And what about this one? This one could be a circle, but there's something special about this one. It has a point. So these are called points, okay? So this is a side, and this is a point, okay? So this is actually not quite a circle because it has a point. And this one, is this a cross? This is just an X, okay? So we're only left with one left, and that is the circle. Good job. Now, the last one we have here is a star. Now, if you remember what I told you before about points, okay, a star has 5 points. So which of these shapes has 5 points? Let's count. This one has 1, 2, 3. So is this a star? No, good job. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So is this a star? All right, good job. And then we'll look at this one here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 points. So is this a star? Yeah, good job. You guessed it. So a star has how many points? 5. So we're left with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So if you guessed that one, you are correct. That is the star. Good job. All right. So now this is for you to do with you and mommy and daddy if you want. Okay. So it says circle only 4-sided shapes. So see if you can do it. And if you need any help, ask mommy or daddy. All right. Well, you guys did a great job today. And we'll see you later.